How to access your Windows folder from Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to access Windows folders from your Android device. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, download an app called Solid Explorer File Manager. Once installed and given permissions, tap the plus symbol at the bottom right, then choose Cloud Connection. Select LAN SMB and tap Next at the bottom right. The app will search for computers on your network. Once found, select the computer you want to connect to, then tap Next at the bottom right. The choice on the screen depends on whether your Windows folder is protected with a username and password or if it's open. In this example, the folder is set to open, so we'll choose Guest and tap Next at the bottom. On the next screen, choose No and tap Next. On the review screen, tap Next as well, and you'll see a Connect button in the center of the screen. And finally, a green check mark will appear, which means that you have successfully connected. Tap Finish, and now you'll be able to see the folders and files that your Windows device is sharing. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.